The Department of Justice announces Tuesday, December 9, it will file 2 kidnapping cases against gaming tycoon Charlie Atong Ang and 24 others for the disappearance of sabongeros or gamefowl enthusiasts. The DOJ says it found evidence with reasonable certainty of conviction to indict or charge the following with 10 counts of kidnapping with homicide. The DOJ says the cases will be filed with 3 different regional trial courts in Lipa City, Batangas, and in Santa Cruz and San Pablo, Laguna. Actress Gretchen Barreto, who was also tagged in the scandal, is not included on the list. As early as 2022, Ang was implicated in the missing sabongeros case for being the owner of Lucky 8 Star Quest, the operator of cockfighting arenas where some of the missing sabongeros were last seen. In 2025, a former employee of Ang tagged him as the alleged mastermind in the disappearances.